Greetings! Pentax Forums staff writer Chris Viola here with a box of goodies from Ricoh Imaging's Pentax division. Hopefully, a Pentax 17. I'm a computer guy by day and a photographer on nights and weekends, and I like little mechanical cameras and like the one that's hopefully in this box and things like this hand-forged knife that one of my lovely daughters got me, which is sharp as a razor. Trying not to cut all the way through 90 pounds of stuff here, so. And here we go. Let's see what we've got. First up, a Pentax 17. Next, several rolls of film. This is a review unit from Ricoh Imaging Americas, but they tell me that this is the same packaging and the same setup that you would get with a consumer order. And the film is the same film that comes in the package if you get the package deal. You can see that's a roll of Kodak Ultramax and a roll of Ilford HP4. Fun stuff. I have also, because I'm an old photojournalist guy, gone out and got myself a roll of Tri-X, which we will put through there. Let's see what else we've got in the box. Oh, there's a manual. I'm sure we'll read this, right? So yeah, that's never happening. Okay. Battery. And the star of the show. Gently, gently. This is in here in kind of a tray thing. I'm not sure exactly how this is supposed to come out. But we will slide it out of there. And there you have it. The quite lovely, quite hefty. I mean, I've been reading the reviews saying that this thing isn't hefty, and I don't know what they're talking about. That is a solid piece of kit. Pentax 17. Wrist strap is already attached. And that is a lovely camera. Well, we're going to be putting it through its paces over the next 2 weeks. Look for a first impressions video and lots of images from this Pentax 17. I hope you're having a great week. Viola out!